Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an essential maintenance task for your chainsaw, adjusting the carburetor settings. Proper carburetor adjustment ensures your chainsaw runs smoothly, efficiently, and safely. Let's get started. What is a carburetor? The carburetor mixes air and fuel in the right ratio for your engine to run effectively. If it's not adjusted correctly, you might experience poor performance, hard starting, or even stalling. Tools you'll need: screwdriver, flathead or Phillips, depending on your carburetor, tachometer, optional, for precise adjustments, owner's manual, for specific settings. Step 1. Locate the carburetor adjustments. First, locate the carburetor on your chainsaw. You'll find 3 adjustment screws: the L screw for low-speed mixture, the H screw for high-speed mixture, and the T screw for idle speed. Refer to your owner's manual for their specific locations. Step 2. Initial settings. Start by turning the L and H screws clockwise until they gently seat, then back them out about 1¼ turns. This gives you a baseline for adjustments. Step 3. Adjusting the low-speed mixture L screw. Start the chainsaw and let it warm up. Adjust the L screw slowly. Turning it clockwise will lean the mixture, more air, less fuel, while counterclockwise will enrich it, more fuel, less air. Aim for a smooth idle without stalling. If it hesitates or stutters, richen the mixture slightly. Step 4. Adjusting the high-speed mixture H screw. Next, rev the engine to full throttle and observe its performance. Adjust the H screw similarly to achieve maximum power without hesitation. If the engine bogs down, enrich the mixture. If it feels sluggish, lean it out slightly. Step 5. Adjusting the idle speed T screw. Finally, adjust the T screw for a smooth idle. The chainsaw should idle without the chain moving. If the chain moves while idling, increase the idle speed slightly. Step 6. Final test. After all adjustments, do a final test cut to see how the chainsaw performs under load. Make any minor adjustments as needed, but remember to keep safety in mind throughout this process. Conclusion: adjusting your chainsaw carburetor can make a significant difference in its performance. Regular maintenance like this not only extends the life of your tool but also ensures you work safely and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy cutting!